Hello my friends. In this lesson, 3 magic properties will be explained. The first one is the nextTick magic property. We can use this magic property to run some operations after creating or changing an event. I want to have an if loop. At first, I define a variable, display :false. After that, I come up here to have a button at sign click. Again, I come down to define toggle. This.display equals not this.display. Back to the button. At sign click equals toggle. Show/height. Now I define an if condition here. If equals display. And I have a text area. And I don't need these variables. As you see, I have the button here, and by pressing the button, the text area will be shown. I open the code mirror script. This script changes the text area like this, which is suitable for programmers. The point about code mirror is that you should enter your element in code mirror, and the script will be applied to your element, and that element should be text area. In Alpine.js, we need a text area like a code mirror. But we have a problem and can't call the code mirror. nextTick magic property comes to help us, and we can do that using this magic property. To create a code mirror, I put these 2 files in my project file. Now I come here to import the files. Link equals codemirror.css. And I come down here, script, src equals codemirror.js. Now I want to change all the text areas to code mirror. I come here and create another script. My text area should have an ID. My text area. Now I come down here to find my elements. var equals document.getElement by ID, and the name of the ID is my text area. Now it's time to apply the code mirror to the elements. So I have code mirror dot from text area. Here I need 2 data. The first one is EL and the second is some options that are empty. Now I want to see whether the text area is correct or not. Before that, I put the text area outside of the if loop. Well, I reload the page. As you see, I have a simple text area and I can change its style. For example, I can put the line numbers value equal to true. Now I reload the page, and the text area is changed like this, which is suitable for programming. Time to return the text area inside the if loop. After reloading the page, I will have the simple text area. Now we can use the nextTick magic property. I define a function named textArea to code mirror. And I move all of the codes to this function. And I delete additional codes and come here and I have init equals nextTick text area to code mirror. After reloading the page, this time I have the code mirror style for the text area. Alright, the nextTick magic property topic is over. The next one is the root magic property. I can access the component's information using this magic property. Well, I delete the previous example. And I don't need code mirror. And also I clear the functions and scripts. After that, I delete the code mirror style here. Okay, I have a button and I want to access the component's information when the button is clicked. Here I have data title equals hello world. Now come behind that. Instead of toggle I have console.log, $root.dataset.title. And here, instead of show/height, I will have show title. In the browser, I have the button. Then I open the inspector and by pressing the button, the root information will be shown. The last magic property is data. Assume that I have an Alpine.js component, like the one I have here. Name equals Hamed. Age equals 31. After that, I have a button, and I come down here to define a function. Function print name and age. This function should have two entries, name and age. In the next line, I have console.log. Your name is plus name plus your age is plus age. Now I go to the button. At sign click, print name and age, $data, show console log. After reloading the page, there is a button, and by pressing the button, the entries will be ready. You'll have good access to elements. Here I can put the two entries inside a bracket, name and age. Come back to the browser and reload the page, and by pressing the button, the message will be shown, your name is Hamed and your age is 31. In this lesson, I explained 3 magic properties. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you.